Have you heard the phrase, the hierarchy of controls? It's a theory used all around the world, and it's a tool to help protect people in their workplace. The most effective controls that keep workers safe are at the top, but they are harder to do. Then the order moves down to controls that are less effective, but easier to put in place. Let's start with elimination. This is the removal of the hazard at the source, so the risk is taken away. This is the safest control method, but it can be expensive or really difficult to change. Examples include reworking areas to permanently remove hazards and selling old machines and equipment that have no safety standards. Substitution is about doing the same job using a safer option. This reduces exposure to hazards. It could be mechanising sheep handling, substituting field bins for trucks, or a mother bin at harvest, or swapping quad bikes for side-by-side vehicles. Engineering controls are physical barriers or warning systems. Rollover protection, alarms, sensing technologies, extraction and ventilation fans, and emergency shut-off switches are all engineering controls. Administrative controls are following the rules. It can include training, taking rest breaks, limiting access to machinery and chemicals, and checking in with someone when working alone. PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment, which is worn to protect parts of the body. Gloves, safety glasses, earmuffs, steel-capped boots, sunscreen, protective clothing and respirators are all PPE. As a farm worker, this may be the only control you have control of, so it's good to know what you can use and how to use it properly to maximise protection. Can you think of examples where the hierarchy of controls applies to you to keep you safe?